Let's begin.
Balance pose. Legs in lotus. Lift your knees and hands in chin mudra. Be still. Love yourself. Be focused. Honor yoga. Down and finish. One leg king pigeon pose. 2 with leg back. Step out. Lift your foot and hold it down. Then raise your arm and look up. Be aware of your breathing. Straighten your hips. Slowly come out of the pose and change sides. Step out. Lift your foot and hold it down. Then raise your arm and look up. Hips down. Lengthen your breath. Slowly come out of the pose and return to your knees. Long horn pose in a forward bend. Cross your legs. Then bend forward and hold opposite toes. Quiet your breathing. Be quiet. Come up Then bend forward and hold opposite toes. Lengthen your breath. Relax your hips. Come out of the pose and finish.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos to come.